Hi, good morning guys! Wednesday is here, so those of you waiting for the giant grouper, they are here, okay? Or rather, not they are, it is here, okay? So we have giant grouper fillets for you guys, head bones, belly bones, things like that, okay? Lots of nice seafood for you today, so make sure you watch closely, okay, to the video. Just a reminder for you guys, next week onwards, okay? Hopefully, if everything goes well, okay, June 1st, we'll be starting the orders on the website, okay? It's basically the same thing, except you don't WhatsApp to me, okay? Because right now, you know WhatsApp, okay? It's only, I will only take the orders from the oldest message. Any of you that happen to reply to the message, you will get pushed back, okay? So it's all in the website right now. Go down there and register your accounts. If there's somebody that has introduced you to Two Girls Two Guys, okay, which is us, okay, please make sure they give you their referral link first before you join the website. Makes sense or not? So their referral link, they will give it to you, and then after you just register an account from there using that referral link. Very important for you guys to take note on that, okay? Cannot reverse already, okay? So make sure you all do that. Those of you that have already invited a lot of friends to join us, make sure you go and register first. Give them the referral link, ask them to go and register an account. Next week onwards, we're going to start using the website, okay? Freezer, don't skip, freezer. Today we have new stuff in the freezer, okay? So free delivery 60 and above, okay? So from now all the way until 13th of June, okay, for the heightened alert period, basically we're giving 10% off the total bill if you buy $100 or more. This is to reduce the delivery load, okay? So we are trying to get you guys to buy more items less times, okay? Put it that way, okay? So let's start with today's video. Okay, so down here we've got salmon head and tail, okay, $9. Okay, you buy separately is $5 each. We have batang head, okay, $1 each. So two of these is $2 only, okay. Batang heads I can do for stir fry. If you have not done stir fry batang head before, you can check out our YouTube video, okay. We have a cooking section in our YouTube channel, okay. Go down there, check the batang stir fry one, okay, with I think hei dou jiang and ku gua, if I'm not wrong, okay. Go and see, it's a very nice dish. You can go and cook, and it's easy to cook as well. You can get us to cut it to small pieces for you, okay. Down here we've got a giant grouper belly bones, okay. 2 plates available, okay, $5 only, okay. Down up there is the head of the giant grouper, okay. It's a 5 over kilo head, okay. So those of you that like grouper heads, I know out there got a lot of fans for grouper heads, okay. Most of the time it's used to cut into small chunks that you can do for your stir fry, for your soups and things like that, okay. The whole entire 5 over kilo head is $50, okay. If you want half the head, okay, it's only $30, okay. So let me know, if you want the whole head faster, message me and book it. If not, somebody take the other half already, then no choice already, okay. The whole bone is down here for the giant grouper is $15 for the whole entire bone. Today we have the king salmon heads as well, okay. So king salmon, the oiliest of all the salmon already, okay. They have the highest amount of omega-3 oils, okay. One head $5, 2 head for $8. Salmon is a very flexible fish, especially the salmon head, okay. You can grill, you can steam, you can fry, you can bake, okay. You can do soup, you can do everything, okay. Basically, it's just a matter of how you cut the heads. By default, we'll cut into half for you guys. If you want me to cut into smaller chunks for you guys, do let me know, okay? We also have the belly for you, one salmon belly, one trout belly, $8, okay? Down here we have batang tails, okay? Batang tails, one for $3. Anybody wants the two of them, $5 only, okay? So batang tails, you can go and we can cut for you into small steaks for you to pan fry. The tails are very nice. I explain to you why, okay? Inside the center, you can see is the beautiful bone marrow of the tail, okay? That one, you go and pan fry, you get a lot extra flavor from it, okay? So that's how you get the batang tails. Then down here we have batang cuts for you guys, $12 each, okay? These are Malaysian batang, very nice, good quality batang. You can see the meat is a bit translucent, okay? If you're looking something for fish soup slice, okay, go for batang, okay? If not pan frying, batang is also always great, okay? So many different cuts available. You can get one piece. I can cut into 6 for you guys. Alternatively, I can fillet for you, or I can do fish soup slices for you, okay? So those are the few different cuts for batang. Down here we have Norwegian salmon, $10. We also have Norwegian trout, $12, and the Turkish rainbow trout, $12 as well. If you want to sample all 3, okay, it's only $30 for the sample set. Just let me know you want a sample set. You get a rainbow trout, okay, you get a Norwegian trout, and you get a Norwegian salmon. You save $4 off, and it's only limited to 1 set per order, okay? Cannot order more than 1 sample set, okay? Giant grouper fillets are all down here. Look at how beautiful the meat, looks a bit like ngao he, doesn't it? But it's not ngao he, it's giant grouper, okay? It's a lot softer, okay? This one, I tell you, take and steam. The whole piece, just take and steam. Alternatively, if you want to do steamboat with it, also can. Just let me know. I'll cut into slices for you guys. Or since it's so soft, if you have a sharp knife at home, you can cut it up yourself. Okay, so if you're eating for a future, I recommend taking this one, just freeze it. Okay, when it's time for your steamboat, then you defrost and then you cut. It'll be much better than rather than we cut for you and then after you go and freeze it. Okay, so of course it won't be that bad lah. Okay, but always better you cut it yourself if you are using for steamboat. Understand? If not, 1 or 2 days later, no problem. I think we can just cut for you. If you are eating within 24 hours, you can refrigerate it. Okay, you don't have to freeze it. Okay, that goes with all of my seafood. Anything you're eating within 24 hours, you can just put it in the refrigerator. Anything more than 24 hours, please put in the freezer. Okay, understand? Okay, so giant grouper down here. Down here, I've got one trout tail. I missed this one out. Okay, the trout tail normally $5. If anybody wants it, it's $4 only. Okay, we have the Wenting Husuns down here. So these are the baby trout fins. Okay, so baby trout fins, $15 each. Okay, normally $18. These are the bigger ones. Okay, very nice and sweet fish. If you have not tried before, go and try. These are farm baby trout fins. Okay, just in case you didn't know, these are the farm ones. Okay, these are from the farm in Wenting. Okay, very good quality, very sweet. The kind of feed they give them very nice. Okay, we also have yellow croakers, nice big fat ones, $18 each. Okay, you can see how beautiful this. I think the yellow croakers will have a lot of eggs or milk inside. Okay, so those of you that really like that kind of thing, you're gonna like it. Okay, alternatively, yellow croaker you also can steam, can bake. Okay, the meat very tender, very sweet as well. Okay, douchang lovers. Okay, here we got 3 big douchang. The good thing about big douchang, anything above 800 we can fillet for you and do fish soup slice. If you guys have not tried douchang for steamboat, please go and try. It's very good. Okay, alternatively, just go and steam the whole douchang itself. Okay, these are Malaysian ones, are really good quality ones. Okay, so the 950 grams one, we have 2 of them. Okay, normally 67 on offer. Today 57. 1.1 kg one, normally 77, now 66 only. Okay, down here we have angkueh. These are local farm angkueh. Normally $18 offer for you guys to try the local one, $16 only. Balai trap fin. Okay, we have various sizes of balai trap fin, and these are the whole ones. Sorry, the big one have not come yet. Okay, the fishermen are still not fishing the big fishes yet. Okay, so currently these are all from just the small boats. That after Hari Raya they want to go and catch. So the catch is very small only. Okay, but anyway, those of you that want balai trap fin is here. Anything 700 gram above. Okay, that means this 2 and down there, I can fillet for you guys. Okay, 600 grams one, just butterfly cut or cut half and then also go and steam. Okay, so 600 grams one is $16 each. I have 3 of them. 700 grams one is $18. I got 2 of them. And then down here I've got 5. I think this one is hiding. Okay, 5 800 grams balai trap fins down here. Okay, so let you take a look at the size of the 800 gram one. Okay, so there you go, balai trap fin. I put that first. Okay, down there I've got xiao chuan. Okay, small boat sampan. Brown grouper. Okay, these are probably the freshest brown groupers you can get ready. Okay, small boat ones are always very good, but they are a bit pricey, but good. Okay, you're looking for something for fillet or something for steamboat, you can try brown grouper. Red groupers now don't have any good quality ones, so I didn't really take. Okay, so the 1.2 kg one normally 34, now 28. 1.3 kg one 37, now 31. Okay, and then the 1.4 kg $40, now 33. Okay, so these are the brown groupers for you. We have parrot fishes as well. Colorful one, I have 1. Okay, that's a 1.4 kg one. Okay, $28, now 25. Okay, then down here we got the 1.4 kg. This one, the what do you call the green color one? Okay, the Qingyi. Okay, that one is 1.4 kg, 34, now 28. The 1.7 kg Qingyi, okay, 41, now 34. And then the 1.9 kg big one, okay, $46, now $38 only. Okay, so parrotfish good for what? Steaming. If you guys looking for a really good fish to steam, go and take a parrotfish and steam. Okay, because parrotfish the meat very white. Okay, very clean tasting. Okay, very sweet. No fishy taste. 没有鱼腥味. Okay, very nice fish. Okay, alternatively you can do for steamboat as well or soup as well. Okay, so there you go for parrotfish. They hate a lot of collagen one. Okay, especially the Qingyi one. So those of you that like that one, go and get. Okay. Down there we've got Chilean sea bass, $68 a kg. Okay, then down here we've got sea basses, okay, $10 each. Okay, sea bass. This size can fillet one. Okay, this sea bass big enough to fillet. Okay, so if you want, I can fillet for you guys. Then we have also golden pomfret. Okay, $9 each. Okay, these are the bigger golden pomfrets, nice, big, juicy, and oily. Okay, those of you who have not tried this one can go and try. Okay, $9 each. We also have the Yuling black pomfret, $9 each as well. Okay, so Yuling black pomfret, my favorite type of black pomfret, okay, because basically they don't have that cao chobi. Okay, very nice fish for pan frying. If you have not tried before, go and try. This type can steam also. Okay, but most often people take and pan fry. Okay, Beka, big sale on Beka. Okay, if you're gonna miss this, I don't know what to say already. Okay, so Beka, your spotted mackerel. Okay, we can either do steaks for you or fillet for you guys. If you want to do, you want to scrape the meat off to go and use to make fish ball, fish paste, ota. Okay, you can use this. Okay, normally $22. Now $15 for the whole entire Beka. Roughly about 1.3 to 1.6 kg. This is probably as big as Beka gets. Okay, Beka normally very small one. Last time we sell is like the small ones like maybe 700, 800 grams. Okay, now this is really big. This is probably like double the size. Okay, so faster go and get. Okay, Saba is up there. Fresh batch of Saba. Yesterday I totally forgot to buy Saba. I forgot during the weekend. You guys bought all the Saba already. Okay, so anyway, Saba 1 for 4, 3 for $10 by default. We cut off the head, we cut off the tail, we fillet one side for you. Easy pan frying. If you all don't know what Saba, you go outside, you know, you eat the hot plate, the Korean or Japanese hot plate. That is Saba, okay? Naturally oily fish, lots of omega-3 oils. You can go and get, okay? Very nice fish. Down here we've got the Malaysian kihi, normally $10, now $9. 5 in a plate, okay? They are very fresh, very nice. Kihi can use for pan frying or steaming as well, okay? So these are your yellowtail snapper, okay? So those of you fans of ang kueh, ang zhou, that kind of thing, you will like this one, okay? Basically, it's just a smaller snapper, that's all, okay? And cheap as well. Okay, not very cheap, okay? For kihi, considered expensive right now, okay? But affordable, $9 for 5 fishes. Down here we have the guni, this is called guni, okay? Tau nai, okay? If you have not tried before, you need to try. This sotong, small sotong, don't need to clean one, okay? They have not developed all the hard things yet. Straight away, just go and stir fry, steam, whatever it is. Very nice to eat, okay? These are a little bit more expensive than the normal baby sotongs, okay? But this is probably the best really, okay? Have not tried, go and try. One plate, okay? $7 only, okay? Then down here we got Sisui, Surabaya white pomfret, okay? Normally $18 a plate, now $15, okay? So white pomfret, white pomfret and Tochang, two very famous places, Pontian and Sisui, okay? Pontian will be for Malaysia, okay? Sisui will be for Indonesia, okay? Which is Surabaya, okay? Can go and get very good quality white pomfrets. If you're looking for something to steam, don't go and fry this, okay, please. The smaller one can go and fry this one, big one, enjoy the meat. White pomfret meat, very creamy one, okay. And last few plates left, okay, $15, faster grab. Sotong, we got nice big sotong for you guys. So you want small one, you can take that one. The big ones are all down here. Malaysian sotong, whole row one, okay. Can see the difference, I think don't need to see, okay. If you want big one, this one is the big one, okay. 24 a kg normally, now $20 a kg only, okay. We also have live prawns, okay. These are the Polysia glass prawns, okay. If you have not tried this before, can go and try. Okay, these are good for steamboat, good for steaming, okay. Very nice. The meat is sweet and very crunchy as well, okay. Normally 38 a kg. Today I have a big discount for you guys, okay. Anybody wants $28 per kg only. You faster go and grab. Okay, down here we've got small tiger prawns for you guys, okay. So small tiger prawns are basically used for everything, okay. Maggi mee, stir fry, you want to use the meat to go and make prawn paste, whatever. Just generic prawns, okay. Cheap pricing for you guys, okay. $22 a kg, now only $18 a kg for you guys, okay. So yep, that's what we have for you at the main table. Okay, don't close the video yet, okay. Frozen things got a lot, okay. I haven't kept the Saba. I quickly go open for you guys, okay. Anyway, it's a fresh batch. Okay, the freezer, we've got new stuff for you. Okay, I go through the old one first. Okay, this is a flower lala, $5 a pack. Okay, today we have the really big silverfish. Those of you that gone to the Japanese restaurant, okay, you all can go and get this one. One box, $22. Okay, it's 1 kg. Okay, they are the big silverfishes. Don't know if you can see now. Sorry, one-handed operation. 来，帮我一下。一个手很难。Okay. Let you take a look. Sorry, because one-handed operation very difficult. Okay, so these are the big size silverfish. Okay, so you all can go and coat with Uncle Sim's flour, or if you have your own flour, you can go and coat, deep fry it. Okay, this one very nice deep fry. Okay, not just like that. Please add the flour. It's very nice. So you can go and defrost it. Okay, then after that you can put into multiple bags and go and freeze. Okay, so that's what you can do for this since it's a 1 kilo pack. Okay. If you all like it, I'll bring in more. Today I only have 2 packets available. Okay, so $22 a box. It's a 1 kilo box, by the way. Down here we have Muar Ota as well. Muar Ota is one for $5.50, 2 for $10. Okay, we brought in wild salmon again. Okay, so these are wild salmon from Alaska. Okay, these are sockeye salmon, by the way. One fillet, very close to 200 grams. Okay, up or down from 200 grams. Okay, this one is $16. Okay, wild wild salmon. These are original wild salmon. They don't sell fake stuff down here. We get our stuff from the Alaska guys. Okay, if you don't know them, you can go and Google them. Okay, they are quite famous with their Alaskan wild fishes. Okay, so wild salmon are all blast frozen. Okay, if you want the fresh fish, can get, but you need to get the whole entire fish. Okay, that one ordering will be latest by Friday 7 p.m. You need to give me your name. Okay, I submit to them. They will order. The following Thursday, it will be air flown from Alaska into Singapore for you. Okay, so if you're interested in fresh wild salmon, you can get that. Alternatively, go for the frozen ones. Okay, because why? Frozen ones, basically, once they catch in Alaska on the ship, it goes into a blast freezer. Okay, basically negative 40 degrees. The fish freezes in under a few seconds only. Okay, so important that is to keep the thing fresh. Okay, and it's frozen all the way to Singapore. The moment you thaw this, please thaw it in refrigeration. Means put in your normal fridge. Okay, overnight. Once it's thawed, just cook. Okay, trust me, you cannot taste the difference between frozen wild salmon and a fresh one. Okay, so that's how good it is. Okay, then down here we've got the American scallops. Okay, $26 a 500 gram bag. We have the flower crab meat. Okay, $15. Fish balls are restocked already. We have the cooked ones and the fried ones. $5 and $5.50. Okay, those are made from pollock. Wild pollock, Alaskan pollock. Down here we have codfish tails. Okay, restocked on this as well. So far, a lot of you, the reviews on this is very good. Okay, it's $23 a pack. Trust me, if you are going for codfish and you want just the meat, you want the bones, this is a better value. It works out to about 72 a kg. The one on the table is 68 a kg. It's exactly the same Chilean sea bass, just that these are tail portion fillets. Okay, so basically what does that mean? No bones. Okay, you all know that near the belly of the Chilean sea bass, basically you got those wide bones. Okay, so those will be okay for steak cuts. Okay, if you are feeding your kids, feeding your babies, go for this. And also, some of you noted want to note that all cod is frozen one. In Singapore, all cod is frozen. Basically, the catching is like that. Okay, once the ship goes out to catch the cod, they come back to shore only in 3 months' time. So all the cods are same as this one. They are blast frozen on the spot and then frozen into Singapore. So the only way you can get a fresh cod, okay, is if you catch it yourself. That's it. That's about it. Okay. So they're all frozen. So if you all don't mind, can go and get this one. I think this is a better value since you're just paying for the meat, not paying for the bones. Okay. Then down here we've got the Australian scallops. Okay. This one is $20 a pack. Down here we've got the Greenland halibut. Okay. This is $14 a piece, 300 grams. Oysters, last pack of oysters. Okay, nice big oysters, $15. Last pack of the small silverfish. The shipment haven't come yet for small silverfish. These are unsalted one, $5. Snow crab legs restock. Okay, $7 a pack. Down here we have unagi, $14. Codfish bones. Okay, 1 kg, one bag. This is $12. And then we have pollock cubes. Okay, so this one, wild Alaskan pollock cubes. Okay, this one also fresh batch. New batch just came in. This is $25. Okay, no bones inside. So those of you want to cook for your kids, you can use this or this. Okay, those will be the easy ones without any bones for them. Okay, guaranteed one again. Okay, so that's what we have for you in the freezer. Our last orders is 1:30 p.m. Okay, so make sure you WhatsApp me what fish you want, how to cut the fish. Very important. A lot of you are not telling me how to cut the fish. Then by the time I get back to you, it's going to be delayed a bit. Okay, so make sure you just message those three things to me. What fish you want, how to cut, where to send it to. That's all. Wait for me to get back to you. Don't reply to the message anymore. If not, you get bumped back in queue. Okay. So thanks guys for watching. Remember, every $100 and above is a 10% discount. Okay. So thanks guys for watching. See you guys tomorrow. Bye bye.